Welcome back to SL Brokerage Hub, your online seller guide. Are you planning to launch your very first e-commerce store but not sure which platform to use? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the best e-commerce platforms for startups, their pros, cons, and which one is the right fit for you, even if you're starting with little or no capital. With so many options like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and others, it can be really confusing. In today's video, I'll walk you through the best e-commerce platforms for startups, their pros, cons, and which one fits your business best, even if you're starting with little or no capital. So make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll also share my personal recommendation for beginners. Let's start with the most popular one, Shopify. Shopify is like the iPhone of e-commerce platforms, simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. You don't need coding skills or technical knowledge. Everything, from hosting to payment setup, is ready for you. Pros: easy drag-and-drop store builder, 24/7 customer support, tons of plugins and integrations. Cons: monthly fees can add up. You'll need paid apps for advanced features. If you want something fast, reliable, and stress-free, Shopify is perfect. It's ideal for dropshipping, print-on-demand, or small product-based stores. Next up, we have WooCommerce, which is built on WordPress. If you already have a WordPress website or you're comfortable managing one, WooCommerce gives you full control. It's free to install, but you'll need to pay for hosting and themes. Pros: 100% customizable, no monthly subscription fee, great for SEO and blogging integration. Cons: requires technical setup, you handle your own security and maintenance. WooCommerce is perfect if you want to grow your store gradually and avoid monthly platform costs. Now, if you're someone who loves design and simplicity, Wix might be your go-to. Wix offers beautiful templates and a drag-and-drop interface that's great for small business owners, creatives, and beginners who want a professional-looking site without touching any code. Pros: super easy to design, all-in-one platform, built-in marketing tools. Cons: less scalable for large stores, limited customization options compared to WooCommerce. If you want your store up today and make it look great fast, Wix is a solid pick. Another platform worth mentioning is Squarespace, known for stunning templates and ease of use. It's ideal for brands that care about aesthetic appeal like clothing, jewelry, or art-based products. Then there's BigCommerce, which is built for scaling. If you plan to grow fast or manage multiple stores, BigCommerce has robust tools, though it's more suitable for intermediate users. So which one is best for your startup? Here's my take. If you want ease of use, go with Shopify. If you want full control and flexibility, pick WooCommerce. If you value design simplicity, choose Wix. Tip: before committing, try their free trials. Build a test store, explore the dashboard, and see which one feels right. And if you want to research competitors' stores or winning products, try using PPSBY. It's a powerful spy tool for Shopify stores. Check my PPSBY affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you choose your e-commerce platform, hit that like button, subscribe for more online business tips, and drop a comment below telling me which platform you'll start with. See you in the next one, and good luck launching your store in 2025. Rock it!